Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use speed warning settings in your Audi. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. This tutorial will work for all of the Audi A and Q models, so if you guys have any of these models, this solution will work fine for you. So basically guys, what you need to do is go to your navigation screen in the right side of your steering wheel, just right here. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. So basically guys, once you're here, you're gonna find the car settings. You're gonna find sound, radio, media, and so on. So just go ahead and look for the car settings. Give it a click, and then once you're here, go to see more options button. Here you're gonna find vehicle settings, driver assist, AC, and servicing and checks. Go ahead and click on driver's assist, and then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find speed warning. Give it a click, and then here, as you can see guys, these are the settings for speed warning. So what you need to do guys is just use this analog to set the speed limit where you want to see warning. Set it to whatever speed you want, and once you are sure about it, just confirm it clicking on this button, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.